Yo, what is good, guys? Deep Effect here again. And in today's video, I'll be talking about scalping. Yep. So, in recent times, many traders go into the forex market making the mistake of going with the trend and going with the flow of the market. Like, that would have probably worked in 2021, 2020, where you can just enter the forex market, place a buy or sell until your trade work out perfectly. But in recent times, forex are just getting more advanced, and now the trend of the market don't only work in making traders more profitable, and that's why I'll be diving deep into many scalping strategy you can use in the forex market. Yeah, so I'll be breaking this video into four types of market scalping states, and the first one is the trend state. So we basically have two type of trend states, and the first one, which is the strong trend state. So in the strong trend, you just have aggressive buying or aggressive selling in the market. So example here is an aggressive buying in the market. So basically, as you can see, the market is pushing up to the upside aggressively. And in this type of trend states, I usually use my moving average. So you can either use the 15 moving average or the 20 moving average. So as you can see, market came down here, bounced off the 15 moving average, came back here to bounce off the 15 moving average and continuing to the upside. So each time the market touches the moving average, you see that there's like an aggressive pull to the upside. Each time the market touches the 15 moving average, there's an aggressive pull to the upside. So in the strong trend state, I usually use my moving average to take entries. So the second one is the white trend, guys. So in a white trend, you can basically look for buys and sell in a white trend. So here we have a downtrend. So the market is moving towards the downside. And in this white trend, I basically pull up my drawing tool and then made a channel. Yeah, so you can basically make a channel using the lower highs and the lower lows in the wild trend. So as you can see here, you can easily enter for a sell here. So when the market hit the channel here, you can just easily place a sell here, and then market came back down here and hit the channel. So you can easily make a buy here again. You can easily come back here, make a buy too, and here again, channel the market hit the channel. You can easily make a sell trade too here. Same thing here, same thing happened here, and same thing happened here. So in the white trend, you can either take buys or sell in the white trend. Yeah. So the second stage, guys, is the reversal stage. So like I previously said, like a lot of beginner traders enter the forex market just by going with the trend. So, and this has happened to me a lot. So if I was going with the trend just right here, so let's say there was a nice uptrend, yeah. So definitely there was a nice uptrend here. So let's say I was to buy here. So just imagine I pull up my tool and buy just right here. Like just imagine just minutes after I buy, I'll get stopped out of this trade without initially knowing that there is a strong resistance zone just right here. So at that stage, then I didn't fully understand support and resistance, and I didn't understand that you just can't just buy at a major resistance zone. Yeah. So while trading reversal, you have to understand there are major support and resistance levels that market usually respect in the market. So again, as you can see, guys, there's a clean resistance zone here, and there is a clean support zone right here, which market respected lots and lots of them. So as you can see, guys, price initially came back to this zone and we tested this resistance zone before initially dropping down. Came back to this zone again, retested the resistance zone before initially dropping down again. So as you can basically you can easily scalp out of this support and resistance trend easily. So just imagine I was going to enter for a trade just right here. So after the market tested this zone, let's say I was to enter for a trade just right here, then put my stop loss above the resistance zone and put my take profit just right here. Yeah, so basically there are different type of reversal patterns, but in this video we just be talking about the support and the resistance pattern. So other type of reversal pattern done about my the head and shoulder pattern, the double bottom, and the triple top reversal pattern. So this third scalping state I'll be discussing with you guys is the breakout. And I'll be sharing with you guys two examples of the breakout stage. And the first one is the breakout and retest. So as you can see here, guys, this is a clean uptrend. So the price is moving towards the upside. And when price is moving towards the upside, as you can see, price form new higher highs and higher lows. And in this process, they are usually breakouts and retest. So as you can see here, price initially came down here, created a retest zone before initially going up. And price initially came back down here again. We tested this zone that it initially broke out of. So yeah, the price has initially created a new higher high and also created a new lower high, just so that the market can continue towards the upside. Price literally came back here again, using the initial higher high that's formed in creating a new lower high. So as you can see, price literally came back here. We tested the same higher high that's previously formed to form a new lower high. And this pattern just continued and continued. So as you can see, it continued playing out. So one major mistake traders make is not being patient enough to see the chart retest this initial zone that they've broken out of. So as you can see, if I was basically like a newbie trader, like what most newbie trader will do is initially wait here and see that there's initial pullback here. So they initially take a trade just right here and say, "Whoa, the market is going towards the upside, and this will play out perfectly well." So just imagine I take my entry here, and just imagine just minute later I'll get stop out of this initial trade because the market is trying to pull back down to the initial zone that it has broken out of. So the second type of breakout is the consolidation, breakout, and retest. So as you can see here, this is a typical example of the consolidation, breakout, and retest. So basically, most traders don't usually wait for the retest after a consolidation. So what I basically do when I see a consolidation is draw a box around the consolidation and initially wait for a big momentum that will break out of the box that I've initially drawn. And as you can see here, there was a breakout out of the consolidation box I drew here and a retest. So many traders won't be patient enough to wait for this retest, and the most traders will just initially come here after seeing a big pull by a big momentum pulling out of the consolidation box. They'll just enter here, and as you can see, like minutes just after entering, they'll get stop out just right here because they were impatient enough to allow the pullback happen before entering a trade. So what you can basically do is wait for a pullback and then enter the trade. And as you can see, this played out perfectly well. So if I was patient enough and waited for the pullback, let's say I'll just initially enter just right here, put my take profits at a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and just put my stop loss just below or even inside the box just to keep it safe. So the fourth type of market scalping state is ranging. So I don't usually trade this the ranging strategy because it's basically just consolidation. So I usually avoid it in the Forex market. But I'll just show you guys a typical example of the ranging state. So markets usually go somewhat like this when ranging, like this, and then like this. Yeah. So as you can see, guys, market isn't forming any or expecting any support or resistance structure. So price is just basically ranging as it wants. So I usually avoid this type of setup. Thank you for watching the video to the end, guys. And if you love to see more content like this, don't forget to drop your comments down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this. And also, please do wait to check my previous videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.